Now, there is one more important thing that I think we need to explain, and that is when we're budgeting tax rates and benefits, ICAT needs to understand which accounts behave like payroll tax accounts and which accounts behave like group benefits types accounts. And that is designated not within the budget feature, but within the traditional ICAT feature under setup. So we need to come to setup and we need to go to reporting categories. And in reporting categories, what we do is we go to the various type accounts and tell ICAT what type of accounts these are. So for example, the group benefits accounts, it's nice that we've named them group benefits, but ICAT needs to know their group benefits. So we have to come over to this expense category and clearly identify group benefits as group benefit type accounts. So we can look at each one of these and see that they're group benefits. By doing this, these accounts will be available in the drop-down menus for those particular screens. The payroll taxes, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to come here and identify these accounts as payroll tax type accounts. And then in doing so, we can see that each one of these accounts is a payroll tax type account. And then these accounts will be available in the drop-down window for those particular screens. Finally, we want to identify which accounts are employee bonus accounts. So we have to come to the overhead and identify the bonus expense as employee bonus. And we'll do the same thing in the G&A pool. We'll go to the bonus account and identify that as employee bonus. And if you haven't done so already, when you set up labor distribution in the standard ICAT screens, what you'll do is you'll come and identify your labor accounts as labor and your subcontract accounts as subcontractor expense and your direct travel. These settings are necessary for the incurred cost feature, but they're also necessary for the budget feature. So you'll need to do these at the start of the budgeting process to make sure that when you go through and you create your budget, when you get to these personnel screens and you go to the group benefits tab, that those group benefit accounts will be available in the drop-down. Or when you're going to the tax rate screen, that these accounts will be available in the drop-down menu because we've identified them as payroll tax type accounts.